Hey everyone, and welcome back to another 3D revolution. Now, if you saw my I'm Back video, you may have already seen that my channel is now going to be covering not just 3D printing, although that will be its main focus, but also cameras and drones and other things which I use in my day-to-day life and on this channel. You may have also seen the reason that I had a big break from uploading videos was because of an accident I had last year. Back in July of 21, I fell 230 feet off of an alpine mountain. I broke my spine, my neck, my skull, lots of things. I broke most of my body. And I wanted to do this video as a little shout out. So when I had my accident, we were on our way back after having filmed for the day. And on that day, I'd been filming with the DJI Inspire 2 drone. When I fell, I had that drone strapped to my back in this backpack. So this bag is made by LowePro and it is the Inspired DroneGuard bag. It's the best bag that's ever come out for the Inspire 2, and unfortunately it's been discontinued now. But this bag, I'm pretty sure, did save my life on that fall. It's a semi-rigid bag, so you can see I can sort of push it in, it will bend, but it's always going to return to that same shape. It would have taken a lot of the initial impact as I was falling, and you can see it's pretty scraped up there and the straps have been ripped off on the bottoms and stuff. But yeah, long story short, I'm pretty sure that that would have reduced the amount of breaks I got in my back and very likely saved my life. Again, as I said, unfortunately it's been discontinued, but with the approaching Inspire 3 release, I'm really hoping that LowePro is going to be releasing a similar unit for that new drone. I mean, it's so effective. Like, not only has it got all the right pockets and all the right places, it's effective. It doesn't just save the person that's wearing it. So like I said, I was wearing this when I fell 230 feet. I fell on it a lot with my whole body weight, and these propellers were inside the bag whilst I was falling, and they are still in perfect condition. Other parts inside the bag, the drone itself and stuff, not so much, but if something like that can survive, that's pretty impressive considering the damage that was done to me and the bag itself. I just wanted to do a quick video as a little shout out to LowePro to say thank you for maybe saving my life and just for making a fantastic bit of kit. I'm really hoping that you release a new version of this for the DJI Inspire 3 when that is released very soon, hopefully. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget, my primary focus is still on 3D printing, but I'll be covering drones, cameras and anything else. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.